Thank you for that, Carolyn. And I second it. That's what our system is designed to do. And to my point earlier, I know you have stuff, but you haven't even had the opportunity to upload your products yet, and you have made close to $500. So I would suggest those in the room, all of the material in the back is try to pace yourself because it's this is a marathon. There's nothing about it. Some people in here did make 500 before they was finished their 30 days on the platform, and some didn't. But I'm not trying to say that that's what everyone will do. However, the system is doing what it's supposed to do, is speaking for itself, and everybody's in their own lane, in their own race. It's designed to create the leverage for you. Once you work the system will work for you. And it's taking a little time for others, but you shouldn't worry about that. You're running your own race at your own pace, but the system is designed to work. Help everybody come in. The platform is resellable, and that's what makes us different. If you don't know, what makes us different from Stan is that you can't go to Stan and then resell Stan to somebody else. But you could come to resell and resell to someone else. Yeah, someone put it in the chat, leverage. So all we have in resell is leverage principles. These are wealthy principles so that everyone could leverage their time and grow. And it doesn't, you say, I'm still learning slow on my ebook. It doesn't matter. Take your time. Let me tell you something. Some people go to college for 5 years and come out to be mediocre. And that's not a slight on anyone who takes that road. I'm not knocking that. Trust me, I'm not. I'm just putting that up against the time and the education course. So if it takes you 60 days to fully understand what resale is and you want to take the leap, there's a lot of benefits to that. For one, the money that's being charged is not going to make anybody go bankrupt. And that doesn't mean I'm counting anybody's pocket. But I definitely know that this is a fact that I'm about to say. There are platforms and courses out here, and people are spending $500, $600, $1,000, $2,000, sometimes $2,500 to not see any results for years. This is something that you are started off with $27, and you get a lot of training that I promise you is in the same courses that are $2,000. I promise you. That's how much value I'm dedicated to putting into the platform. So it's almost like I'm pulling the wool off of people's eyes so they can see that you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to start building something or a nest egg or something online. You can start very small. You can grow at your own pace. And whatever you do, even though we post wins, don't make comparisons with what somebody's doing to the left or to the right. I used to suck at marketing, if I could use that word without anybody getting offended. I used to suck. I was horrible. And this was in 2001. And I didn't see my first real money come in until December of 2005. I made 20 grand in 1 month in 2005. But before then, I registered my first domain in 1999. I think my first sale come in for a product that I had in 2001. I didn't take the internet serious until 2003, and my big breakthrough where I was able to take off happened in 2005. I never quit. I never gave up. December of 2005, I launched a website, downloading beats for $10, sold 2,000 of them in 1 month. That's $20,000. And I have been going ever since, educating myself and learning and continuing and continuing. It doesn't have to take that long, especially with a system that we have and the coach that I'm attempting to be to everyone. Take your time. Go through all of the training videos. Take your time. Listen, the books that you download, you can put them in Speechify. Or there's a couple of other things that if you can't sit down and read, you can have the books read to you. AI will do it for you. There's different levels of it now. And you can go search them out. But AI will read the books to you. And as a matter of fact, Chat GPT will summarize any of the books. And Chat GPT also has an audio feature where it will read back to you the most important points. Now, do I suggest that? I suggest that you read it and absorb it and retain the information. But for everyone who's pressed for time, there are ways that you can get the information and continue to do what you're doing and slowly wean yourself off of whatever you think is not working for you or whatever you're frustrated in and get into this leverage. I don't care. Listen, even if you set a plan to just get one or two people a month or get off one or two products a month or get your system going, it takes a little bit for that little snowball, right, to grow into the big ball, to then grow to something that's moving and then you're leveraging your time. I'm not concerned about that. I'm more concerned that just you start and run your own race, and we're the perfect platform to do it. So if there's no other, yeah, Speechify. I use Speechify. I love Speechify. If there's any other questions or no other questions, I'm gonna go ahead and tell everybody good night. If you are here, if you was invited here tonight and you never went to the platform yet, please take the person's invite that invited you and then go to their bio. And in their bio, you'll see information to get to our platform. All right. It's popularly known as the LINK. And if they don't have it there and you know they invited you here, send them a DM right now and tell them to send you a link. I said it anyway. You see how fast I forget? I spell it one time and say it the next. But regardless, we'll get it done. So if there's no more questions and no one on the panel has anything to say, I will say that this book will be in your members area soon as I complete the audio.